Welcome to Top Reviews Lab. The best Jahai is probably one of the most versatile and comforting products you can bring into your home, offering a unique blend of warmth and support that can transform any living space into a sanctuary of relaxation and well-being. Imagine sinking into its plush embrace after a long day, feeling the stress melt away as it cradles you in unparalleled comfort, making it an indispensable addition for anyone seeking to enhance their home's cozy atmosphere and their personal sense of peace. Number 5. OREO, Chips AHOY, Nutter Butter Cookie Snacks Variety Pack. Indulge in a delightful assortment of your favorite cookie snacks. This pack offers a variety of flavors to satisfy everyone's sweet tooth. Enjoy the classic taste of OREO Original or try the sweet twist of OREO Golden. These iconic cookies are perfect for any occasion. Experience the irresistible crunch of Chips AHOY. Cookies, packed with real chocolate chips. They're a timeless favorite for a reason. Savor the unique peanut-shaped goodness of Nutter Butter cookies. Their distinct flavor and texture make them a truly special treat. Each pack contains 2 cookies, making them ideal for on-the-go snacking. Enjoy the convenience of perfectly portioned treats anytime, anywhere. With 56 snack packs, there's plenty to share with family and friends. Make any moment a little sweeter with this delicious variety pack. What we like. This pack offers a delightful assortment of classic cookie flavors. It's perfect for on-the-go snacking or sharing with family and friends. If you love variety and convenience, this is the ideal choice for your pantry. What people say. This is a great product, I love it. The quality is amazing and it works perfectly. I would recommend this to anyone looking for a good product. Number 4. Life Around 2 Angels Bath Bombs Gift Set. Experience a spa-like retreat in your own home. Our bath bombs transform your bath into a soothing, bubbly sanctuary. Crafted with care in the USA, each bath bomb is a testament to quality. Enjoy a premium bathing experience. Infused with shea and cocoa butter, they deeply moisturize dry skin. Leave your skin feeling soft, supple, and rejuvenated. Looking for a thoughtful gift? This set is perfect for birthdays, Mother's Day, or any occasion. Surprise your loved ones with a unique present. Each fizzy is handmade, ensuring a special touch. Give the gift of relaxation and pampering with this delightful set. An ideal gift for anyone special in your life. Whether it's for your wife, girlfriend, or him, they'll adore this treat. What we like. Indulge in a luxurious spa experience at home with these moisturizing bath bombs. Infused with shea and cocoa butter, they leave your skin feeling soft and hydrated. If you're seeking ultimate relaxation and a treat for dry skin, these are a perfect gift for yourself or loved ones. What people say. This is a great product that is very well made and durable. The design is very unique and eye-catching, and it's also very functional. I love the attention to detail in the craftsmanship, it really shows. Number 3. Body Restore Shower Steamers Aromatherapy 15-pack. Elevate your daily routine with our Aromatherapy shower steamers. Simply place one in your shower and let the soothing scents transform your space into a personal spa. Designed for ultimate relaxation, these steamers help melt away stress and tension. Enjoy a moment of peace and tranquility after a long day. Infused with natural essential oils, each steamer provides a powerful aromatherapy experience. Breathe in the calming eucalyptus scent to refresh your mind and body. Looking for a thoughtful gift? These make wonderful Easter basket stuffers, birthday presents, or a special treat for anyone needing some self-care. With a generous 15-pack, you can enjoy the benefits of aromatherapy for weeks to come. It's the perfect way to ensure you always have a moment of calm available. Suitable for women, men, girls, and boys, these steamers offer a universally appreciated experience. Share the gift of relaxation with your loved ones. What we like. Transform your shower into an aromatherapy sanctuary with these invigorating steamers. They release soothing scents to help you unwind and de-stress after a long day. If you prioritize self-care and a moment of tranquility, these are an excellent addition to your daily routine. What people say. Using these scent rounds is incredibly easy. Just rip open the packet, set the scent round in the floor of your shower, and let your nose be filled with the pleasant aroma. My nasal passage felt so good and I could smell the scent for a little while after getting out of the shower, which is exactly what I wanted. The scent wasn't mind-altering or anything like that, but it was very relaxing and stress-relieving. Don't put the scent rounds directly in the line of impact from the shower water because they will dissolve too quickly, but make sure they're close enough to the water that they will dissolve. Hot water works best because the scent mixes with the steam. The scent round dissolves completely and leaves no residue, so it's not slippery afterwards and there's no safety concerns for children or pets. The scent will remain in the bathroom for a bit, but there's no cleanup involved. This set includes 30 individually wrapped shower steamers in 10 different aromas, packaged in a sleek gift-ready box with a magnetic swing lid. Easy to use, simply unwrap a steamer and place it in the shower, ensuring it stays out of heavy water flow or full submersion for optimal use. Aromatherapy benefits, creates a relaxing, spa-like experience in the shower. Wide variety, 10 different aromas provide plenty of options for personal preferences. Attractive gift option, the sleek box and individual wrapping make it a ready-to-gift item. Number 2. Gillette Venus Extra Smooth Travel Razor Kit. Introducing the Gillette Venus Extra Smooth Travel Razor Kit. It's designed for smooth skin on the go, fitting perfectly into your travel essentials. This kit features a mini handle, a refill, and a protective case. Everything you need for a close shave is neatly organized and easy to pack. Experience an extra smooth shave wherever your adventures take you. The blades are designed for comfort and precision, even when you're away from home. Specifically created for women, this razor provides a gentle yet effective shave. Its travel-friendly design ensures you can maintain your routine effortlessly. The kit comes complete with a mini handle, a replacement blade, and a durable case. You'll be ready for any occasion with this all-in-one solution. Take your favorite razor with you without any hassle. Its compact size and included case make it ideal for gym bags, purses, or carry-on luggage. What we like? Achieve a close and comfortable shave wherever you go with this travel-ready razor kit. Its mini handle and included case make it incredibly portable. If you're a frequent traveler or simply need a convenient shaving solution, this kit is designed for you. What people say? It's compact, easy to store, and still gives a very smooth shave thanks to the 5 blades. The compact design is the biggest advantage. It's easy to store, comes with a protective case, and fits well in a gym bag or carry-on without taking up space. The 5-blade cartridge delivers a smooth shave with minimal irritation. It glides well, especially on areas like knees and ankles where precision matters. Number 1. Nutrafol Women's Hair Growth Supplements. Are you experiencing hair thinning or loss? Discover a clinically proven solution designed for women aged 18 to 44. It's time to achieve visibly thicker and stronger hair. This advanced formula is recommended by dermatologists for its effectiveness. Trust in a product that's backed by expert advice for your hair health. See the difference with our clinically proven ingredients. We've rigorously tested this supplement to ensure it delivers visible results for your hair. Support your hair growth journey from the inside out. Our supplement provides essential nutrients to promote healthier, more resilient hair. Start your path to fuller hair with a convenient 1-month supply. Experience the benefits and see how it can transform your hair's appearance. What we like? Support visibly thicker and stronger hair with these scientifically formulated supplements. They are designed for women aged 18 to 44 and are recommended by dermatologists. If you're looking to improve hair health and volume, this is a trusted solution to consider. What people say. My hair stopped falling out and is growing back. Laser helmet, this thing actually works. I used it for about a year before discovering my nutrient deficiencies, and even without taking multivitamins and such, I definitely noticed a decrease in hair fall. I'm going to keep using the laser helmet because I truly believe this stimulated hair growth. Nutrafol actually works. I have been taking it for 2 months now and have already noticed so much new hair growth. Even my hairstylist said she noticed it. My hair feels so much thicker and stronger already. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.